Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. It is Friday, and we're gonna trade. We're gonna do some good, solid trading because what else would we do? What else would we do? Today should be the last day before after I go live today. Hopefully I can start going live on TikTok again. Oh Lord, I'm trusting you with that one because I'm not sure what else to do. But we're live on YouTube. Let's go ahead. Oh, sorry. Goodness me. Let's go and get into the analysis. Yesterday's daily candle is pretty bullish. The 4-hour is bullish as well. I just do not see anywhere for price to retrace to get a bounce. This definitely just looks like a little pullback that we're getting though. And then on the 1-hour, this is that gap that gave us a huge move yesterday. Ideally, we don't go down that far. We have this 1-hour low here from overnight. Could be a nice draw. We also could be holding this super tiny gap. Sometimes price likes to do that. Oh, actually we lost it, but we're reclaiming it. We also inverted that bearish gap, but we do have this one. It's been fully mitigated, but it's still something to look out for. We also have this 1-hour gap. And these, I'll go ahead and mark out all these highs up here because that's still only like 100 points. Honestly, yeah, I'm removing this one. No, I can't. I can't. We have all this low resting liquidity. I really think we're going to run those highs. We're just going to run all these highs. We're bouncing off the Asia lows right now. We have those London lows, London highs. I mean, this one's tough because we've kind of already like bid through the retracement zone. I'm going to lower the see-through ability of this so I know that it's like fully mitigated. I don't know. I feel like it's pretty obvious to have a bias, a bullish bias, but it's not exactly obvious where we're going to bounce. Really, the only thing I can see is bouncing at these overnight lows. Just following the structure we've been following. I would love to see us just kind of like, but I'm definitely interested in longs. I mean, yeah. Yeah. The last 2 hours look kind of bearish, but I literally think it's just going to sweep this and then head higher. So, bias, bullish, but hard to decipher bounce spots. Okay, just not very many. Ideally, overnight low longs or continuation longs. So we're looking for today. So let me go ahead and log into the Trade-Evate. Yesterday hurt. Yesterday, I went break even when I shouldn't have, and it cost myself a lot of profit. So big goal today is to not do that. I just need to hold. Like if I take one of these trades, I just gotta hold, man. It's that simple. Like I'll leave one runner, but I just gotta trade. I just gotta trade. That's all I gotta do. Let me go look at, because this lucid trading, this funded, I've had it for a minute now. I have a fresh eval, and I have another half-past eval, but let's get in here. I got the funded. Yeah, I've had it for a month. I've had it for a month. There's like absolutely no world where I should have this for a month. and I haven't lost it or gotten a payout. I had 3 weird little losing days. So then I took a break, and then I came back and hit a banger on the first. Yeah. Yeah, I just gotta have some balls. Pardon like my speech, but that's really what it is. It's really what it is. So I've had it for a month, and I've gotten 2 winning days in a month. Like, that's just time wasting. That's just not good use of my time. We're just gonna be sending it, and then if we win, great. If we lose, oh well, but I gotta trade it. I gotta trade it. How else are we gonna start to get payouts if we don't take trades, you know? See if my creative got approved. It is what it is. It is what it is. Just waiting here for the market to open. Market open. I just gotta start going live on TikTok again, but they don't want me to. They don't love me. They don't love you like I love you. Wait. Sorry. I literally don't know what I'm doing. I'm just sleepy. I'm actually really tired today. I really did not feel like waking up to trade, but You gotta do what you gotta do, man. This is the game. Because YouTube, this is really for the long form, like, audience on here isn't as established. But I just gotta record the trades. I gotta document everything. Make sure it's proven I'm being truthful. Make sure it's proven I'm being honest. It's the most important part of all this. I'm ready to take a trade. I'm ready to take a trade. I'm ready to take a trade. No going break even, bro. No going break even. Okay, market's gonna open here. And we could just pump, but like, I'd really like to see that down move into some longs. I feel like that sounds pretty nice. I feel like that sounds pretty nice. Let me see how many trades I've taken in the last month. Just to kind of compare. Because I've been on this thing since 610. I've taken... Okay, let me see. 610. I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. I just gotta log back in. I'm really sad. I'm gonna have to put these as break even, bro. It's okay. It is what it is. Oh, and look at that. We're pumping. Just took out our first draw. I mean, we are bouncing off the Asia lows, so it makes sense. I also just realized. Oh, hello, Patrick. Hello. Hopefully after today I can start going live on TikTok again. Are you door dashing today? Toki, are you door dashing? ES looks bullish too. ES looks bullish too. ES has a big 4-hour gap it's bouncing in. Yeah, we don't have that. We don't have that. I'm not really surprised that we're just pumping here, but I mean, I wish I would have got an entry, literally. I literally wish I would have got an entry. But it is what it is. It's a 1-hour gap. I mean, now I'm at the point where I need to see it go down or get a continuation, so we're moving on to sitting on the 5-minute. Probably. Heard. I need to go walking, but I'm just tired today. I'm just tired. Not sleeping enough. This ad has also been under review for a while. Can you just get approved, please? Thank you. Thank you. Sorry I didn't get home last night in time for anything. I just gotta take some fat banger trades, bro. I've had the funded for a month. And there were 3 days I immediately traded it and just tweaked. And then I went back to evals, but like, gotta get payouts, bro. Worst come to worst, if I lose it, I just get another one. It's that simple. It's that simple. I'm also really looking forward to the launch of Fund Your Edge. How much time we got left on the countdown? Just under 17 days. But I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I still wouldn't be mad if we came down here to bounce. It'd basically be the same thing as yesterday, except I'm actually going to hold. I really should have held yesterday. Fund your edge, baby. But price just is going to keep pumping, bro. It just wants to take out these draws. Oh, I just need to get a payout. There's just no way. There's just no reason it should be a month on the account with no payout or losing it. It's literally the same as what I was doing with the evals. Edge, 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 edge. Okay. Here we go. Getting a little movement. I just... 23 minutes. Bro. Not at all in the system, so I'm not actually taking it. But I feel like this is an extremely obvious trade we just got. You know what? When that happens, like, when I get an extremely obvious entry that isn't in the system, that's when I should pass some more evals, bro. Like, I'm just gonna see if it plays out. Honestly, I hope it doesn't. Reinforce my mind that I trade my strategy for a reason. Ew. I'm still gonna eat it. I'm still gonna eat it. Or at least give us like a 5-minute bounce here. I just want to trade. I really just want to start going live on TikTok again. Really. But only one more day. Only one more day till I can go live on TikTok. Yay! Yay! Okay. Oh. Oh. I feel like we're gonna end up coming down to this low. Because this is a beautiful short candle. But nah. I mean, hold on. I could take it on to eval. I could take it on to eval. I'm not going to do that. I'm still just trading the strategy. It's just the smart thing to do. Okay, little 5 minute here. Because like ideally price would inverse this, but it might not. We'll see. I'm not going to try to catch shorts here. I'd rather just long at the bottom. Actually, I'm going to switch to my eval to see if I can get... Nah, I just need to stay on the funded. And I just need to wait for the strategy to happen. Dude, I have the music set up, but like I was wondering if it was part of the reason I was getting in trouble, or like my old account wasn't working because they like had all the weird rules about music. But you hear people playing music all the time, bro. Here we go. Background music for streams. Oh, it's too loud. Oopsie. Oopsie. Please don't completely hold that. We got 20 minutes left. What's ES doing? Live shouldn't matter unless you're getting ads on them. I don't think. Okay, that makes sense. Well, there's your music, Pookie. We got 3 minutes on this close. This is like a little typical continuation. But dang, it's got a big stop loss, bruh. Oh my goodness. This could also be a fake out, but the way we're holding the 5 minute is really bullish. 80-point stop loss. I'd be taking this with 3 contracts. It's like nothing, bro. I'd be more confident if we just don't inverse this and then dump down to the level and then get like a clean entry. Okay. I entered because it's my strategy, but I don't like the start. I'm gonna buy one more down here. If it's a fake out, I'll look for a re-entry down at the bottom, but 853. 853.25, but I mean, it's a typical continuation. Like, this is what the strategy calls for. 793.25, that's 60 points. I should have 5 contracts. So let's add one more at another premium. 851.25. So I have 5 contracts and a 58-point stop loss. Technically now I'm in an extra contract, but oh well. 63.50, that'd be 58.50. So 958. 50, sell 1 limit. We're actually going to make that. I think it'll be 3 because at 84, yeah. I'm going to sell 1 at the break-even spot because that'll secure a winning day. One confirm. 93675. And then 958. I don't like how we're stalling, honestly, but I do really like that previous candle. And I would really like, we did hold the 5-minute, which is actually a beautiful sign. So we should start. Yeah. There we go. There we go. We like to see that. Yeah, okay. Hands off. Hands off. I'm going to go ahead and, because ES did actually take out a high at like 937 right here where we topped out. But, and ES is trying to go down, but I think this trade makes sense. Unless ES is our leading indicator again. But I mean, the way we held the 5-minute, I think price wants to go up. And if we do get stopped out, I'll look for a re-entry bounce down at the overnight lows. Otherwise, I'm done for the day. So let me get you transferred over, Patty, to MNQ. This is what we're looking at. This is what we're looking at. Alpha, I love you, but you got to move over a little. This is what we're looking at. When I sell that 1, I'll go break even at the internal high. But I'm just not. I got the plan. That's a solid plan. That makes sense. Go break even and secure the winning day. Beautiful candle, I'm not gonna lie. I really like how we held the 5-minute. And I really like how a 15-minute won't form. I am curious just where like a 1-to-1 would be, because that's what I do on the evals and it works really well. Because like we already hit for a 1-to-1, but because if I just start losing on these trades, if I'm losing when I'm trying to win and it makes sense, I'll just trade them how I trade the evals. I don't like how we're slowing down here, but I got faith. I'm gonna put on my headphones and listen to music. Maybe I should turn on some like worship music. Actually, what am I doing, bro? I just need to breathe. I can't really walk away either because I actually have to manage this one. The way that ES took out the high really scares me, but I don't think it should matter. I just feel like yesterday, like I went break even too early and I lost. And then today it's like, oh, Ben, you need to go break even too early again, or this time the trade's not going to win. Like it's literally just the voices. Patrick, there's more important things to do. I'm throwing my banana peel away. I'll give you a little shake on the way out. Yeah. Oh. Oh. So I sold one. I'm going to sell 3 more at this high. I really want to sell 1 more, but I'm leaving a runner. ES did not take out its intraday high just now. I'm just worried that ES is at its liquidity because recently I've noticed ES beating the leading indicator. But what is this? A 1 hour high? It's a pretty prominent 4 hour high on ES too, actually. But it is what it is. I'm just not going to leave a runner because I don't want to manage it. Actually, I just want a little more profit. I know I shouldn't, but I sold 1 more. I'm not built to have runners right now. I'm way too much of a tweaker. And then now, we'll either get full TP, or it'll be another winning day. But either way, we should be green on the account now. I mean, I could secure like $700, but it's not about the money. Okay, deliver right here. Come on. Come on, let's just hit it right here. It's obvious that draw on liquidity is where we're going. It could have potentially been high day. Yep. Boom. Boom. Patrick, I'm now up $834 on the funded. Oh. I'm up $834 on the funded. And I need 2 more winning days. And I need 2 more winning days. Oh, I gotta go live on TikTok. And my promotion's active. Let's go. Let's actually go. Missed out on like $50 by selling early, but I could just feel myself tweaking, and if I took off the runner, it felt better. But I really like the way I got in that trade. Like, I got in the contracts where I did the thing where I usually am a little light on position size, and so then I just added 1 more, and then it changed my average so much and increased my stop loss so much that I could add even another one, because yeah, I bought 3 at 857, so it saved me like a lot. Okay, bang. Thank you, bro. I gotta go live real quick. Let's go live. Just hit an absolute banger on the funded account. Make sure we have no working positions. We're now up $834 on the funded account. We made $974 today. I did sell one contract early, but it is what it is. It was an extra contract, if we're being honest. So we hit our draw on liquidity. Great trade. Hey, Pat, I could invite you to my live. But can I like my own live? Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can like my own live. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Banger trade. Banger, banger, banger trade. Just in time for the reverse. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. It just prompted me to invite Connor Sharp as a guest. Looks like I'm just recording you. But I'm actually spam liking my own live. You gotta be your own biggest fan, bro. Fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. It would be really crazy if we did all that and we still didn't hold this 1 hour gap. Because that was basically, oh, pale. Oh, pale. Wait, I messed it up somehow. Look, bro, I just hit a banger. I sold one single contract early, but I'm up $834 on the funded account now. 2 more days to a payout. This week, I had 3 winning days, 1 break-even day, and 1 no-trade day. So, yeah. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Why aren't you live, Pale? It's nice to see you here, but you should be live, bro. You should be doing your own stream right now. And it was a nice little quick, easy day. I could stay on. And just switch accounts. Ezra, bro. I'm getting close to that first payout. I just made $974 on a funded account. I need 2 more trades to get the payout, so we're getting there, bro. We are getting there. I was undefeated this week. Thank you, Jesus. Also, Ezra, wasn't your birthday recently? I think it was. Happy late birthday, unless I'm just absolutely tweaking. We just got the little live to show the trade. Kinda hoping TikTok will let me do it on my computer again. It is what it is. It is what it is. But I'm super duper thankful. Super duper happy. I mean, it's just part of it. I could totally switch to an eval and try to pass it, but I don't think I want to do that, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I want to do that. I'm gonna call the live here. Literally just trying to get allowed to go live on my... Look, TikTok, I'm real. I'm streaming. You guys want me here, so just let me, please. But okay. Yeah. W trade, W day. If I stay live for 1 more minute, I'll reach stage 2. 40 invites you as a co-host with 2 live guests. Let's accept it. I regretted it. Good to know I can just jump in my own live and spam the likes. That's kind of good. It's kind of cool. YouTube, I got a bunch I got to do. I'm going to end the stream here because we're done trading. We could totally try to pass an eval, but we're just done. So we're going to end it here. Love you all.